Hey everyone, we're going to go ahead and continue on with our theme of pictures or images on our Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So in the previous video, I showed you how you can go ahead and add images a few different ways. You can either add them using placeholders or you can just add images directly. So check back to that video if you want to learn how to do that. And this one, we're going to go ahead and cover how we can format these images. So right now we have this dog. I don't know what breed of dog this is, but they see the title slide is German Shepherd. This is clearly not a German Shepherd, but that's okay. We're going to roll with it. So if we want to go ahead and format this image, there's a few different ways that we can do this. We can format our entire slide here off to the right. You can see with the design suggestions, and you'll find that under the Home tab on the very far right underneath Copilot. You can see I have a few different ways that we can display this dog, but we just want to actually modify our image itself. So let's go ahead and left click. And once we do that, pay attention here to the ribbon. You'll see a new option appear. It's called Picture Format. So let's go ahead and click that. And you have all these different options. You have Edit Picture, which you can go ahead and select. And within that, it's going to give you some different options here, like enhancing. You can crop it, you can adjust the background, add text to it. So that'll give you some overlay images or overlay options to be able to add changes to your picture. You can also do things like removing the background. You can add in corrections, color, transparency, etc. But let's go ahead and focus on some of these options over here under picture styles. So we have options like adding in a border. So we could add in a border here. If I add in red, you can see it's a little bit more obvious. And within that, we can also change the type of border that we want. We could change the weight, make that border thicker, thinner. We could change the style of the border. We can also add in picture effects. We can do things like shadows. We can add in different perspectives. And we can also adjust the layout. So we can change it up. Maybe we want this style. Maybe we want this style. But let's go back to where we were. And then you also have these picture styles, which are pre-made, almost like, I guess, pretty much just called a template. It's going to give you little templates that you can use for your image. So you see that it's adding in its own effects to your image to add in things like borders and shadowing and all that good stuff. So maybe you'll be able to find one here that you like. I'm just going to go ahead and choose a random one. I don't necessarily like these, but this one kind of looks like those 90s pictures that you would see when people do those photo shoots, and it would be cropped like this. So I think this one is funny. Let's go ahead and select that. Okay, and now that we have this selected on here, we can also add in things like alternative text. So for those folks who are not able to see your slide, you want to add in alternative text because then they'll actually know what the image is. Otherwise, they're going to have no idea. So just be mindful of accessibility once you're working on your PowerPoint presentation. You can also come in and you could do things like changing the size. So if you just go ahead and click your image, if you come up here to the top left, bottom left, top right, bottom right, you can adjust your image height and width at the same time. If you just try to adjust the width or the height individually, it'll skew your image. So you can see as I do this, now the puppy's compressed. So we don't want to do that. Or you can also come up here to the size section and you can make changes there as well. There's also another shortcut for cropping.